Figs are large perennial plants. Its scientific name is Ficus racemosa Linn. Some use Ficus glomerata Roxb. It is in the Moraceae family as well as the Bodhi tree. That banyan tree, moreover, they are also close relatives, even belonging to the same genus. Their origins are in the same area, so they have many similarities. Especially in terms of beliefs and relationships with local people, there are many types of figs here. I will mention the type called Uthumporn figs, which is the fig that Thai people are most familiar with. Uthumporn figs, it is a large tree, 15 to 20 meters tall, broad canopy, dense leaves, single leaves, oval or lanceolate, about 10 centimeters wide, about 20 centimeters long, pointed tip, smooth leaf edge, smooth or hairy leaf surface, petiole 5 centimeters long, ear. Spear-shaped leaves, about 2 centimeters long, flowers are round bouquets, similar to fruit. Villagers often call this inflorescence fruit or figs. Inflorescences are clustered along the trunk and branches. Young green inflorescences turn red-orange as they mature. Covered with downy hair, inflorescence diameter about 4 centimeters, stamens around the opening. Pistils are inside the inflorescence cavity. The fruit is small. The seeds are about 1 millimeter long. The seeds are hard, yellow.